Welcome to Mathorio. Let's learn math together. A quadratic equation is a polynomial equation of degree 2. The standard form is x squared plus bx plus c equals 0 where a, b, and c are constants, numbers. A is not equal to 0. If a equals 0, it becomes a linear equation. X is the variable. The graph of a quadratic function f times x equals x squared plus bx plus c is called a parabola, a U-shaped curve that opens upward when a is greater than 0 or downward when a is less than 0. Why does this matter? Quadratic equations appear everywhere in the real world. Physics: the path of a thrown ball follows a parabola. The equation h equals negative 4.9 t squared plus v0t plus h0 models projectile motion. Architecture: parabolic arches are used in bridges and buildings because they distribute weight efficiently. Business: profit functions are often quadratic. There's an optimal price that maximizes revenue. Sports: the trajectory of a basketball shot, a soccer kick, or a golf swing all follow quadratic paths. Understanding quadratics helps us model and predict real-world behavior. Try this interactive visualization on Mathorio to explore the concept yourself. Pause the video and visit Mathorio.com to practice with our hands-on tools. Example 1. Identifying standard form. Let's look at: is 3x squared minus 7x plus 2 equals 0 a quadratic equation? If so, identify a, b, and c. Step 1. Check the degree. The highest power of x is 2, from 3x squared. This gives us degree equals 2. Step 2. Verify a is not equal to 0. The coefficient of x squared is 3, which is not 0. This gives us a equals 3 is not equal to 0. Step 3. Identify coefficients. Compare with x squared plus bx plus c equals 0. This gives us a equals 3, b equals negative 7, c equals 2. The answer is yes, it is a quadratic equation with a equals 3, b equals negative 7, and c equals 2. Example 2. Rewriting in standard form. Let's look at: rewrite 5x equals x squared plus 6 in standard form and identify the coefficients. Step 1. Move all terms to one side. Subtract 5x from both sides. 0 equals x squared minus 5x plus 6. This gives us x squared minus 5x plus 6 equals 0. Step 2. Arrange in standard form. Already in form x squared plus bx plus c equals 0. This gives us x squared minus 5x plus 6 equals 0. Step 3. Identify coefficients. Compare 1 times x squared plus times negative 5 times x plus 6 equals 0. This gives us a equals 1, b equals negative 5, c equals 6. The answer is x squared minus 5x plus 6 equals 0 with a equals 1, b equals negative 5, c equals 6. Let's review the key points. First, a quadratic equation has the form x squared plus bx plus c equals 0 where it is not equal to 0. Second, the graph of a quadratic function is a parabola. Third, when it is greater than 0, the parabola opens upward, union. When it is less than 0, it opens downward, intersection. Point 4. The vertex is at x equals minus b over 2a, and represents the minimum or maximum point. Point 5. Quadratic equations model real-world situations like projectile motion and profit optimization. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more math lessons, and visit Mathorio.com to practice.